What's up, guys? It's your boy Halloween _Haunt Booster and Ender's Haunts. Today's video, we're gonna be unboxing and set it up Torture from 2019. Last year, just got this guy in the mail. So I saw him on eBay for $15, and he's completely fine. The motor, everything's good. So here's what it looks like, everything out of the box. He's got his main Torture head. I put it, his head came already on, then he's got the adapter and the control box stuff. So I'm gonna be hanging him up on the ceiling and screwing in the metal pole in the control box into him. So I just hung him up here. Got this pole, and I got I think it's the little screw. I could be wrong. But I'm just gonna put in a big screw, and we'll see how to do this. Ew, it's Velcro. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this. Like that. Grab my screw. Put my screw there, then screw it in. So, got this in. Now I'm gonna grab the control box. Then there's a little hook on the side here where you just do that, and I think there's a wire that I'm supposed to plug in. I'm not sure where that wire is coming from. Found the wire. Attach the white and yellow wire connecting like that. And this guy can be used with a sandbag if you want to hold them up like that, but he doesn't need to. And if you guys can see, Torture comes with those like greenish camel things that don't show the springs, but it looks really stupid. And so I just did that so it looks better with just the ropes. So now I'm gonna plug an adapter into him and do a demo. Plug the adapter into him. Now I'm gonna plug him into the wall. See if I can reach there. This should be okay. Oh, there he goes. There he is, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace.